Hi class! So today we're going to start talking about looking at things objectively and non-objectively and seeing what your opinion is versus an aesthetic. Now, why we're doing this, we are going to be making a project that is based specifically around you and your likes, but also things that you could not like and someone else could like that you don't like. Now, we're going to look at a couple of different movie posters. The first one we're going to look at on our board is going to be Beetlejuice. Now, why are we looking at Beetlejuice? Because Beetlejuice is one of my personal favorites. It is something that is personal to me, but someone else could not like it. For me, aesthetically pleasing, I like the fact that you can see the main house where it takes place, the main three characters, as well as the other three side characters in front, and you see that they are going up to the house. Now, they're not inside the house. It is them being side characters and the main character's story that they're just in with. It shows you a couple of other side characters who are also inside the house, showing you who is alive and who is dead, basically. This is something that I like, but someone else could not like. There are a lot of different movies that have the floating heads, as I like to call them, such as Arrival, Pearl Harbor, even. They both have the floating head syndrome, as I like to call it. It has the main object of what is happening, so like fighter pilots in a war, and then the main characters that are just not grounded to anything. Some people can like that. I personally don't. But because this is a personal assignment about who you are, this does need to be a little bit more personal to you and what you like and what you don't like. You could take, say you like the floating heads. You can do that. I just don't personally like it. But that's fine because that's you. Now, what I want from this assignment is you to decide what you like and don't like, add and subtract those things, come up with an idea. I don't want you to copy it, but you can take inspiration from something and how it is set up. And I want 3 main events from your life. It could be something like getting a new house. It could be getting a little brother, a little sister. It could be a new dog. It could be a new car, moving states. It could also be just getting a new pair of clothes that you like, finding a new hobby that you like. You could have realized that I actually really like art, and this is the first time you've taken art because you realize that. Those things. 3 things that could be big, small. It needs to be at least 3, and then you can have little things sprinkled around in it to tie everything in. Now, the size for this project, I would like this sizing to be 8 by 10 at least, sheet of paper size. But if you would like to go bigger, you can. I will provide the paper. You just got to ask me. It does need to be in color, just so I can see everything. Now, if you want to go big and get some extra credit, you could do a black and white version and do like an ink version, but that would just be extra credit. Now, before we start, I want you guys to sketch a couple ideas, look up some ideas of movie posters you like on your phone, show me your sketch once you're done, and I will approve it, and then we will get your final piece of paper and start on it. And if there's any questions, to let me know, you guys. Have fun!